Before quarantine, my life was extremely busy. I was rarely at my house. I had to go to school, had to go to sports practices, had to go to internships and other extracurricular activities.
Sierra Winchester is a student at Base High School who relies on social interaction to maintain her mental health.
And then when the pandemic hit, I was kind of confined to my bedroom. And that was a place I wasn't used to being because with a busy life, it was for sleep and that was it.
Terry Hammond is a social worker at the school who says each student has a different response to the forced isolation.
Mental health can look like a lot of different ways for a lot of different people, like withdrawal and lack of motivation. And it can also look like anger and behavior changes that can be seen as not a mental health issue. You know, it can be seen as like acting out.
Now that teens aren't confined to their homes anymore, they're facing new mental health obstacles.
It's been a real struggle for me to switch back into this normal lifestyle because with my mental health, I'm no longer able to just go back to the person that I was.
We've all collectively experienced trauma together this year, and that's why it's difficult to do things. And I feel like that's impacted teens even more because they kind of are just absorbing the result of all of this by being isolated at home.
It's important for teens to practice self-care and find activities that support their mental health. For Sierra, it's organizing her time, reading, and playing basketball again.
At first, I didn't know if I was going to do basketball, but then I got vaccinated and I was like, you know what? I need this in my life. So I did it.
With everything teens have learned from being isolated at home this past year, they can try to put this tough time behind them and move forward.
Seeing the world reopen again has given me hope. Seeing a person face to face and having a conversation gives me so much happiness. It makes me feel like I can start returning back to my life before COVID.
From PBS NewsHour Student Reporting Labs, I'm Andrea Salazar Lopez in Beaverton, Oregon, signing off.